Hi, welcome to this short video, which is designed to give you a brief overview of what to look forward to in the Recruitment Agency Startup Workshop presentation. My name is Joe Davis, and I'm the founder and CEO of Recruitment Startup Consultancy Limited, and I'm looking forward to meeting you and potentially working with you to help you to set up your very own home-based recruitment agency. In the workshop presentation, I'll be covering why there's never been a better time than right now to start a home-based recruitment agency. Pre-pandemic, I used to say on the event that the best time to start a recruitment agency was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now. Well, that has all changed. The best time to start a home-based recruitment agency, without a shadow of a doubt, is right now. As every day you hear on the news how staff shortages are rippling across the nation, from healthcare, haulage, security and hospitality sectors, in fact to almost all parts of the economy, creating a field day for recruitment agencies. I've started a recruitment agency revolution that is helping ordinary people from all backgrounds and walks of life to have a share of this highly lucrative industry, so that it is no longer the preserve of the few wealthy recruitment owners, but for the many. During the presentation, I'll be demonstrating to you a very simple and easy to follow system, showing exactly how within a few short weeks you could be earning £10,000 to £15,000 per month from your very own recruitment agency. At the event, you'll also hear testimonials from our new startups who, without any previous knowledge of the recruitment industry or running a business, have successfully started their very own home-based recruitment agency. The workshop will be held in my boardroom here, and as you can see, we have limited places available. So if you haven't done so already, you will need to register right now to confirm your place and for my team to forward to you your e-ticket for the event. Just a heads up, if you book to attend the event and don't show up, then unless there is a good reason for not attending, there will not be an opportunity for you to rebook. Although the workshop is free of charge, it's certainly not free of cost, as in addition to providing light refreshments and lunch on the day, the information that will be covered in the event is not available in any books on or off the internet, and therefore it is priceless. And so if you just don't turn up without letting us know in advance, then we kind of know that you're not someone who is serious about having your own business. And I only want to work with people who are reliable and serious about being their own boss. We have a lot of people who want to work with us, and so we do have to be selective as to who we bring on board, as there are a limited number of people I can work with at any one time. Now, the fact that you're contacting my company and are watching this video tells me that you are serious, and I'm really excited to help you to see how you can, within a very short period of time, have your very own recruitment agency up and running and generating some serious income for you. At the end of the event, if you are interested in having your own home-based recruitment agency, then you will be able to have a brief meeting with me so that I can answer any specific questions you may have about getting started and to discuss the way forward. And even if starting a recruitment agency is not a right fit for you, you'll still be able to take away on the day your free business plan, bookkeeping software, my latest book, Recruitment Agency Revolution, and an online marketing course, total value £497 just for attending. Finally, as there are limited places available, if you don't register, then you can lose your place to someone else. I look forward to meeting you.